Ready to move your crypto from Coinbase to Revolut and unlock seamless financial management? Let's dive in. First, open your Coinbase account, locate and click the Send, Receive button. It's usually at the top right of the screen. This is where you initiate the transfer. Next, switch over to your Revolut app, go to the crypto section and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, then tap on Receive. Revolut will display a unique wallet address and a QR code. This address is crucial. Carefully copy the wallet address. Make sure you copy the entire address, as any mistake will result in a permanent loss of funds. Now, go back to Coinbase, paste the Revolut wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer, double-check the address and amount one more time. Coinbase will show you a confirmation screen with the transaction details, including any fees. Review everything carefully and confirm the transfer. Remember, transaction fees will vary depending on network congestion. The transfer is now initiated. It might take a few minutes or even longer, depending on the cryptocurrency network. Once confirmed, you'll see the crypto in your Revolut account. From there, you can either hold the crypto, convert it to fiat, or use it in any other way that Revolut offers. Congratulations! You have successfully transferred crypto from Coinbase to Revolut.